Hey Erwin, taking a video of the bike. I think you're scheduling to get it picked up sometime next week. It's Saturday, the 31st. So I'm gonna do like one video before the bike gets picked up. Just took it out. It's been a couple of weeks. I'll take a number of pictures as well, so you have both a video of the bike and pictures. I'll take a number of pictures the day they pick her up as well, so that make sure nothing unwanted happens. Here it is. If you ask me again, one of the most beautiful colors they made. I know that Aprilia always has beautiful color schemes, but this one here changes in the daylight. I'll take another picture. Some of the details as well. I'm going to secure the keys right here, at least one set, and the other is going to go in a box that I'm going to ship out. So that's the mileage on the bike. Probably going to need to reset because of the battery, the time and everything once you get there. Let me put this down real quickly.